In this video, we'll create a fan chart using Matplotlib in Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for creating a fan chart in Python. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the second result as it matches our query. Now this use case requires Matplotlib and NumPy library to function. So before proceeding, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now this code snippet demonstrates how to create a fan chart to visualize a range of possible outcomes based on the multiple samples. The fan charts represent variability in the dataset, and this code generates a fan chart to visualize a range of possible outcomes based on multiple samples of monthly returns. The chart displays the mean line and shaded areas representing different percentiles of the distribution. Now let's run the code and see the chart. And you have created a fan chart using Matplotlib in Python.